deflection of pointer of the galvanometer. Okay, you can see both the bulb glow.
Namaskar, welcome to Education to Knowledge Yatra, and in this video we will discuss about electromagnetic induction. So first question is that what is electromagnetic induction? So when the magnetic flux associated with a coil or conductor changes, then an electromotive force is induced in that coil, which is called induced electromotive force, and the current flowing due to electromotive force is called induced current, and the phenomenon is called electromagnetic induction. So this is the coil and this is bar magnet. These arrows shows the relative motion between coil and magnet, due to which the magnetic flux of bar magnet associated with the coil, as a result, and EMF induced in the coil. This EMF responsible for the induced current, and the pointer of the galvanometer gets deflected. So this experiment executed by me. So let's begin.
Apparatus required for this experiment: first is galvanometer, second is coil made up of aluminium. Don't confuse with copper, because this is the color of insulation, enamel insulation basically. And third apparatus is bar magnet. This is another bar magnet, attraction between opposite polarity and repulsion between same polarity. So firstly, it is connected with galvanometer in parallel way. Now, this is relative motion between coil and magnet. As a result, an EMF induced in the coil, which is responsible for the direct deflection of pointer of the galvanometer. Okay. Now the another question related to this experiment: can glow the bulb by this method? So the answer is yes. This is a coil also having huge number of turns, 2000 turns, and this is the neodymium magnet having high pole strength as compared to this magnet. This is ferrite magnet. Okay, and these two LED connected with the coil at a place of galvanometer. So relative motion between coil and magnet. You can see both the bulb glows one by one. Blue, green, blue, green, blue. This is an alternating current, and the principle of AC generator works on the electromagnetic induction and DC also. Don't confuse with frictional electricity. Okay, Jai Hind.